Hello and welcome to Neonto Studio. This time I'm going to show you about the storylines. Blah. Hello and welcome to Neonto Studio. Hello and welcome to Neonto Studio Pro. This time I'm going to show you some basic Hello and welcome to Neonto Studio Pro. This time I'm going to show you Hello and welcome to Neonto Studio Pro. This time I'm going to show you how to use storylines. So we have a new project here. Let's call this storyline. We have one screen. Let's add a storyline visual block like this. Let's call it storyline photos. Okay, let's go to main screen. We're gonna add some background image like this, full screen, and then one button. But first, let's use keyline. Let's put it in the middle. Then we're gonna add one button. Choose button left side of the button. Let's attach it to the keyline. So in every device, the button is going to be in the middle, but we have to offset it by a couple points like this. Now it's in the middle. You can see in iPad it's middle and other devices. Okay, and let's add some text for the button like storyline photos. Like this. And now it's word is a little bit longer, so now it's in the middle. Let's aim at interaction and then select storyline photos. So when user clicks the button, he sees the storyline that we have created here. So then double click the storyline and you can see the navigation here. And if we're gonna add 4 photos, for example, you can add as how many as you would like, but we will use 4 photos in our example. So click the nav and make the duration of the navigation to be 4 story points. And then we just simply add some photos. So one photo, full screen, another photo, full screen, another photo, full screen, and the 4th one. Full screen. Yes, and here you see the photos and the navigation. But for each photo, we want to show the photo only for one story point. So just select one photo and add the put the one for the duration like this. 1, 1, and 1. So now every photo is shown in one story point. And then we can just drag the photos in the timeline. And now you can see every photo is shown in one story point. And of course, storyline needs a back button, so when the user goes to storyline, he usually wants to come back also. So let's add a back button. And let's add an interaction. Go back. And you can see that the back button the duration for back button is 4 story points, so it's always shown. Even if I click here, 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 it's always shown. So then we can just run it to the simulator. Okay, so this is the start screen. Let's click storyline photos. So this is the first photo. This is the second one, third one here, and the fourth one. And there is a back button in every story point. If I click the back button, I will go to the first main screen. I can go back, just play around. So this is the most simple way of using storyline and story points. Also the story points, you can fetch them from the database or datasheet, but that is another recipe and we're going to show it in the future. Okay, hope you like it, and you can start playing with the storylines immediately.